Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can change 3 main heroes in Mobile Legends. So the 3 main heroes that we master will be displayed when we play in ranked mode, and we can change the 3 main heroes as we like. So select the ranked mode, appears like this. Tap on the 3 main heroes that appears under the star. So just change the heroes you like. Tap on cross icon and select the new heroes you like here. For instance, click confirm. So here we go. So easy. That's how to change the main heroes in Mobile Legends. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.